Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We are a nonprofit that uses radio control to get kids excited about math and science. Now, today we've got an unboxing of something that was so big we couldn't do it on our regular workbench there, so we had to bring it on outside. This is the Smart10 balance wheel. It's a hoverboard that is a little bit larger for adults here. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. See what this is all about. I've been wanting one of these for quite some time. Here's the manuals, looks like. All right, we'll go ahead and set those aside. Looks like this is a carrying bag. Comes with a little nylon carrying bag. Put it off to the side too. Here's a charger. And then a remote. This looks like the remote off of a Tesla. Pretty cool. And underneath this piece of styrofoam, we've got the balance wheel itself here. So, go ahead and pull this out. It's pretty hefty. Wow. Yeah, this is quite hefty indeed. I'm gonna have to put this down. And anything else in the box? Doesn't look like it. Go ahead and put that off to the side. We do have to inflate these wheels, and for some reason I'm off camera here. So the wheels come not inflated, so we'll have to get some air into them, just standard bike valves on them. A little bit of debris from the packaging there. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the manual and see what the instructions are for charging the battery. All right, so the charging port is on the bottom of the hoverboard, and we're just getting the charger set up here, just unwinding these cables and whatnot. So your plug may vary by your geographic location, but I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and then plug this into the bottom. So plug this into power here, and it says it takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge. So I'm gonna lift up and plug it into the bottom here. Let's see how it's keyed. There we go. All right. So we'll go ahead and let that charge here. All right, so a couple of lessons learned here. So first thing is that the charge indicator, it's red right now. When it turns green, that means it's fully charged. I can't actually inflate the wheels with my bicycle pump here because of this, the offset pump nozzle here doesn't. I can't get it onto the actual Schrader valve here because the Schrader valve comes out at an angle. So let me show that on the camera a little bit more. The Schrader valve comes out at an angle like this, so won't be able to. I've got to probably fire up the compressor to pump up these or inflate these tires. The manual doesn't state what to inflate them to, but the tires say that you can inflate them to a maximum of 15 psi. So we'll probably go maybe like 13 or something like that, just to give it a little bit of room to breathe there. All right, so I've got the tires inflated to 10 psi. It was a little bit tricky with the compressor just because we have a pretty high volume compressor. And these tires are pretty low volume, so it was pretty quick to just inflate them and overinflate them. So we ended up at 10 psi just for convenience sake there. And I've got my helmet on. I'm gonna go ahead and hop on here. So I've read the directions. go ahead and flip the switch on the bottom here. And then put one leg on here. And you see that, oh, I'm not level there. Okay, I'm going to make it level. And then actually I'm going to adjust my foot a little bit there and get my other foot on. And you just have to do really, ooh, it does take some getting used to here. Muscles I haven't used since my snowboarding days. Pretty cool. Adjust my feet a little bit here. Whoop. Oh wow. The tire is flat. There's nothing, so I'm going to get off here. We lost some pressure there, so I'm going to go ahead and reinflate that other tire. Give this another shot. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.